It's the truth, it's the truth. Why did I say I'm about crying? Some days ago, somebody said, we're busy renting crowd for Thanksgiving. But what I saw here today is not different from what is happening, but people that are appreciating God and good governance. Just like the chairman said, what will you be remembered for? It's not about any other thing. It is the life you touch genuinely. It is the policies that you ensured that are implemented without any inducement. That is what you will be remembered for. And I'm happy standing with you on the first line of it, ensuring that the 30,000 minimum wage has been implemented. I want to also tell you, nothing will stop the implementation of promotion this month. I will not address some things that the civil service chairman said, but let me say it here for record purposes. What is happening here in our dear state is somebody who have respect for an elder. Mr. President invited all the parties to Abuja and came out with a resolution that we should go and implement. That resolution, I'm implementing it. It's not a constitutional implementation. It's a political solution to a problem. And I'm doing it because of the respect I have for Mr. President. But let me say it here. If that action that I've accepted to follow will be taken for my weakness, I will surprise them. I want this message to go to them. And I believe you know what I mean. Coming back to the main business of today. Chairman, you mentioned something about mobility. We will do something about it. You also mentioned, in the next 1 week, you'll get your bus. You made mention of the issue of gratuity. When I was the Accountant General, I had a meeting with you people about that issue. I will try to liaise with the Accountant General, and now that we have an able and understanding acting chairman of the commission, we are going to start the payment, full payment of gratuity. But I want you to know that gratuity in the local government has to do with your own fund, which was mismanaged. But we are going to correct it and ensure that your gratuity are paid when due. Let me also assure you that on the issue of consolidated salary, ensuring that you get to your 17 and above, we will also implement it. What do we need from you? We need your support. What do we need from you? We need your understanding. What do we need from you? We need you to obey the rules. When you're doing what is right, I will stand by you. Nobody, whether full or half, is going to intimidate you. Brace up. I say brace up. Because the next step, it will be fire for fire in local government. Everything will be implemented. For our people, the great and wonderful people of Rivers State, will continue to lead you with the fear of God. Maturity is not about age. Maturity is in person. I choose not to respond to people that I assume that are mature, but immature in attitude. I will continue to be mature, not minding my age. But I will not, for any reason, allow myself or anybody who is working with me in this administration to be played with, maltreated, or abused in the course of administering this governance. We are a government who believe and understand the feeling of our people. Our policies and our support will always go to you. I'm happy seeing you. I'm happy today you have started enjoying what other people enjoyed many years ago. What else do I want? It's for me to go and sleep because people are happy. The effect of this implementation of this salary has even gone a long way to also cushion the effect of the hardship. That is governance with thinking. Governance with thinking. Not governance with your heart or emotion. It's governance with reasoning, thinking. So let me thank you for coming to show this solidarity. Let me thank my administration, everyone who is with us, for the support that we're enjoying from everyone. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. Fubara will stand with you and defend you. Chairman, like I said, all your requests as listed will be attended to adequately. For national, also tell your people, the interest of our local government workers is paramount to us because we were like them before. So because we're here now doesn't mean we don't remember them. So we'll continue to remember them. For the chairman, Civil Service Union, look at your face, you're smiling now. Before, you don't used to smile like this. So that is we for you. Our motto is to make sure we put smiles in the faces of our people. Let me thank you again. And please, peace and order, because this state is our own. We will not be party to anything that will bring destruction to our state, because our love for this state is genuine, not anything attached. We will be here, someday we will leave. But Rivers State must move forward. Rivers State must be better after me than what it is. That is my desire and my wish for the state. Thank you. Thank you, and God bless you all.